how to bold text on Instagram bio. So in order to do that, first you need to head over right here to any browser that you have. And then on the browser that you have, just search for bold text generator. From in there, you should be able to see in here this Lingo Jam. Head over and click on that. And then from in there, just put in the normal text that you want. So for example, let's put in here tutorials for you. And then just put in here the text. And then you should be able to see in here a lot of bold text. So we have in here bold serif, bold sans, italic bold, and also a lot of things right here. So let's use in here this italic bold sans. Just long press that, and then just select the text and click on copy. From in there, head over right here to our Instagram, head over to your profile icon, click on your edit profile right here, and then you can see in here your bio. For this one, just long press and then paste, then click on check, and then this will save. And when you head over and see your profile right here, you can see that we have in here a bold text that is actually italic as well. So that's how to bold text on Instagram bio. Hope we helped.